Joshi, are you waving to people? Are you waving, Meyer? Josh, are you waving?
She's walking out there for me.
That's where the penguins are, Meyer. Yeah.
I wanted to go in the fun happy one.
Nah, we're done. Tired.
I wanted to go on the slide.
Well, if we would have went to the koalas, you could have done that. We didn't go to the koalas. Oh yeah, look, llamas. Over here, sir. Look, yells and yells for his mama. What's coming next, do you know?
I want to go to the park.
Well, we'll sit down, man. Look at the donkeys. I think the zoo's closing after this.
Maybe next year probably can get zombie
Keep your hands in. Don't touch anything. Yeah, are we on a bridge? Good job, Meyer. Look over here, Meyer. Oh, there's the camels. Oh, over here, look. Are these camels? Are these the camels? Oh, look, camels, Meyer. Look at the camel. Did you see the camels?
Sometimes when you're on a train and you didn't see the animals, the train gives you to see the animals.
Yeah, that's what I saw.
I think here comes the kangaroos, guys.
We didn't even see the kangaroos.
Yeah.
Besides, are you making a video? Another one? Cool.
Joshi. Say something, Josh.
They're called an invasive species because they can take off. They're really hard to control.
Wave to him.
Don't forget to see the kangaroo.
Besides, when you're at the zoo, you have to stick with a person.
Yeah.
Always.
Here comes the kangaroo. Shush. Look. Stay in this. You have to keep her inside. Look at the kangaroo jump.